Alright guys, we're going to jump straight into it. This is all you're going to need in order to complete this. So I'm just taking the hair. It's really matted and tangled. The best thing to do is brush it out and then put it underneath the water. I'm washing it because I haven't washed this unit since I actually put it in my hair. So I'm washing it out, and then actually when the knots were bleached, they were kind of over bleached. So I'm going to actually try and take some of that out. So I'm putting some Shimmer Lights shampoo on the actual lace frontal, scrubbing that out really good. Then I'm going to rinse it. All right, so I already washed it with the Shimmer Lights shampoo, so I'm actually about to go in and take some regular shampoo. I use Tresemme. It works the best for me on my natural extensions. So try that if you haven't tried that shampoo. It really works well for me. So I'm just going to shampoo it really quickly. Like I said, this is not, it's matted. So if you're going through bad hair or you happen to have a bad batch of hair, or you're trying to revive some hair, whatever the case may be, the hair is pretty much shitty. So you're not going to be able to comb through it as much. You're just kind of just going over it with your hand and lathering it. Once you get to the step where we actually boil the water is where you'll start to see it break down a little bit better, so it's more manageable. Rinse the shampoo out, kind of like literally balled it up. I'm about to go and prep the water. So take a big pot, a large enough pot where you're actually going to be able to submerge the unit and or bundles, whatever you're trying to revive. Fill it up, I want to say halfway, and then go ahead and put your choice of conditioner in it. I would put enough. I'm going to show you guys how much I put in there, and also silicone mix. This really does strip the hair so that it can make it soft. I can't tell you exactly what is in it that makes it soft. I am not a beautician. I did not go to hair school, but I know this makes the hair really soft. So you're going to put that in there. I actually ran out of silicone mix, so definitely put more than I was able to put in there. I want to say like 2 hand scoops in there, plus whatever conditioner you're going to have. Like I said, it's really matted, so I still put some more on the actual hair. Lathered it really good. I'm going to try and brush it out, but like I said, the hair is really, really like horrible. So this is why we're doing this step. You don't have to brush it out prior to, but it's completely up to you. All right, so I'm actually about to attack this hair. Anytime that you're brushing any hair, you want to start from the bottom and actually brush your way up. It just prevents any more tangling. So if you would like, you can try and brush your unit. I thought it would be more manageable if I did it while the conditioner was on the hair versus me trying to do it once it was already boiled. If I was to do this again, I don't know. This was really a task. If your hair is more matted than this and or worse, I would probably just put it in the water and brush it afterwards once, you know, the conditioner, everything has had a chance to actually get in the cuticles of the virgin hair. Because this was just ridiculous. It was hair everywhere, all over my sink, all over the brush. It was just a mess. So next time, I probably would just boil it first before I try to actually brush it out. All right, guys, I said I was going to show you how much conditioner I put in the pot. I actually changed it to a heat level of medium on 6. I stirred it up so that the conditioner could dissolve in the water once it started to heat up. I grabbed my units and I dropped it in the water. And you're actually going to sit this in here for about 20 minutes, and I also put the lid on it. And make sure that all of the hair is submerged. So after 20 minutes, this is what the hair looks like. You can immediately tell the difference, guys. Like, just look, it looks much better. It's automatically brushing out. I'm not having to freaking wrestle with the hair. So this was definitely much needed for this hair. Not all the time will it come like immediately back, but it's definitely a big difference. You're gonna tell a difference no matter what state the hair is in. It may not come, you know, back 100%, but you will revive it in some sense. I don't believe in throwing away hair, so I would definitely try and take this step before just throwing it out. So after you get it out of the heat, I'm actually rinsing it out with some lukewarm water. Just rinsing the conditioner out that's already been in there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's really a quick and easy process. It takes you nothing but 20 minutes out of your time. It's pretty much like cooking your hair. Um, Let me know if you guys like this video. Stay tuned. I'm gonna kind of show you what the unit looks like actually after I put it on the mannequin head. So yeah. So I wanted to actually put this little clip in at the end. I was actually able to finally wear this hair out, kind of finger my hair with my hands and actually not have to carry a brush around 24/7. So if you're going through that with some bad hair, or you tried a new hair company out and it just didn't work out for you, try using this and see if you can revive the hair. You spent your money on it, so it's worth trying. If you guys want to see more videos like this, just let me know. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.